This is a presentation of the Simla Field Office of the NRCS in association with the Double L and Agate Conservation Districts. NRCS has over 80 years assisting farmers and ranchers in promoting conservation. As part of that commitment, we use practices such as fencing to put conservation on the land. When installing a practice, we use our standards and specifications to determine if it is built correctly. When a fence is constructed to our standards, it will last for years. We put a life on them of 20 years, but you can expect many more years. Why do we build a fence? Well, the purpose is to construct a barrier to animals or people and facilitate management practices and/or accelerated conservation practices. Typically in this area we use fences to facilitate grazing management on rangeland. The most widely used are barbed wire or permanent electric fences. We're going to look at barbed wire fencing today. One component of a fence you can't overlook or skimp on is the wire. We can use smooth wire when damage to livestock or people is important, but more typically 12.5 gauge double strand wire is recommended. 3 or 4 strands have worked well for years. Spacing between the wires is important. Leave 16 to 18 inch gaps between the ground and the bottom wire. The top wire should be no more than 42 inches off the ground. Attaching the wire to the posts is best done with the clips supplied by the manufacturer. Fence wires should be stretched tight and kept taut to ensure long life and easy maintenance. Line posts should be in a straight line between brace points, which are not over 1,320 feet apart. Changes in elevation and direction of the desired fence affect the distance between brace points. Line posts can be 3-inch thick wood posts, steel, or pipe. Wood posts need to be planted at least 18 inches in the ground, more if the soil is sandy. T-posts need to be driven into the ground to the top of the anchor plate and stick 4 inches above the top wire. Steel pipes should be 2 inches in diameter and set in the ground to the same depth as a T-post. I've touched on some of the basics for building fence. It seems like a simple topic. It is very detailed and complex, but when built right, a fence will last for decades. If you have any questions, please contact the NRCS in Simla.